Welcome to the fan seat inflatable stool assembly tutorial. First, remove the product carefully from the box, making sure you have enough space around you to inflate the product safely. Place the inflatable inner inside the fabric with the valve facing towards you. Inflate to approximately half capacity. Align the Velcro on the base to the inflatable inner. Feed the hard edge of the fabric cover into the groove of the base in a circular motion. Inflate to capacity or to personal comfort. Remember, do not overinflate. Finally, remove the pump and insert the top cap, pushing the cap in. Thank you for your purchase and enjoy your fan seat.